The next step of our dream home project on HomeStyler is going to be adding our furniture, appliances, cabinets, things like that. So it seems like people are still having trouble accessing their HomeStyler design. So I'm going to go through exactly how to do that again, just so there's no confusion. I know there's a few people that said they've lost their design. As long as you've saved your design, you're logged in. There's really no way that it would just delete. Okay, so first thing, remember you need to log in with your Google account. So I'm going to click on sign in, top right corner. I need to log in with Google, so that's that G right in the center here. If you're logged into Chrome, it should already have your information saved. You'll know you're logged in because it'll show your name right in the top right corner. Next thing, we want to go to Start Designing. And I know some of the Chromebooks that some of you may be using are a little slow. If they are really not running properly, you can always try restarting the Chromebook, completely shutting it off and then turning it back on. That usually does the trick. Now, this is the part where I think a lot of you are getting confused. Once you're logged in, I think a lot of people either hit create new design or they'll close out of this window. That will make it look like your design has been deleted or it's gone. You have to go under My Designs right here, My Designs, and then you should see whatever you titled your house. So mine is titled Mr. Polzinski's House. So I'm going to click on this, and now it will open up my design template that I've been working on over the last week or so. So by this point, you should have added your floor plan, which is all your walls. You should have done your wall openings, your windows, your doors, and then you should have gone through and added all of your style. So remember to look at how your rooms actually look. If you take your little person here and put him in any of your rooms, you can see over here on the right side, this little window will show you exactly what that room looks like. Now, if you want to look inside the house, you want to go into a 3D view. This little window, let me highlight my mouse here so you can see it. This little window over here, full screen, will take you inside of your house. You can navigate this way as well. Okay, so hopefully that clears up any confusion that a lot of you are having. I get emails every day saying my design has been deleted, I can't access it. So hopefully that clears things up. Remember, every day you work on your HomeStyler, you have to go up to the top, right here where it says save, right here, save, and you need to click save. And it's going to say saving. May take a second or two, so be patient. And then it'll say your design has been saved. Then you can close out of your browser. Okay. Now, what we're going to be doing today, we're actually going to be adding all of our furniture, appliances, cabinets, that kind of thing. So it does not matter which room you start on. Just for the sake of the example, I'll start on, I guess, the kitchen. Okay. Actually, I'll start on the living room. So you can do this one of two ways. You can either do this from this top view here, or you can do it from inside the house. That is entirely up to you. Whatever is easier, you may want to get inside the house to move things around. You may want to do it from the top. Personal preference. But over on the left side of your screen, you have a catalog here. It looks like a little chair is the icon for that. You click on the catalog, that's going to take you through all the different items you can potentially add to your house. There's people, there's animals, plants, everything imaginable. So I'm going to start with my living room. So I'm actually going to just click on the living room category. And it's going to have all sorts of things. Now, if you want to actually sort it, there's some stuff over here that you can look at. Like if you wanted to look at seating, that'll pull up some different things. So let's say I wanted to add, you might want to search stuff up. Let's say I wanted to add this couch. Basically, just like when I added my windows wall openings, doors, you're just going to click on whatever item you'd like. You're going to click on it, and then you can simply drop and drag it wherever you'd like it in the house. Okay, so let's say I wanted this to be right here. Okay, now if I look at this, my couch is not facing the correct way. So to rotate it, this green dot right on the front, if you click that, you can rotate your furniture however you want it and then move it to where you want it to be placed. Okay. Next thing, let's say I wanted to do something in the kitchen. I could go into my catalog. I can either search things, so maybe or I can click on the catalog. So let's just see what they have here. I can't remember. So there's appliances, refrigerators, things like that. There's entire cabinet sets. Let's say I wanted to add an entire cabinet set to my kitchen. I can click on it, and I'm simply going to position it wherever I'd like it to be. Now you'll notice that this is not in the correct spot. So again, I can take my dot, this green dot, and I can rotate this to however I want it to be in the house. And I can then move it into place. Okay, so it's up to you where you want that to be positioned. Now, if you want to see how something looks, if you want to see how something looks, that. I don't know why that keeps rotating. We'll leave it like that. If I want to see how something looks, remember I can go into 3D by clicking on my little window on the right here. And that'll take me into the house. Now you can see I have an entire kitchen set added into my kitchen. Okay, so you're going to have to do that on each room. I'm going to set the requirement is you need 3 to 5 pieces of furniture at a minimum, so you can go above and beyond that in each room. Okay, so think of what is in the kitchen. Well, I need a cabinet set. I probably need a refrigerator. I need a kitchen table. My garage, what I need, maybe 2 vehicles. Maybe I want a lawnmower. In my living room, what's in a living room? Maybe a TV, a couch, coffee table. What's in a bedroom? Well, a bed, a dresser. Okay. So think of what you need in each room. I'm just going to set the requirement as 3 to 5 items, but feel free to go above and beyond that. Okay. Most importantly, once you have this done, you have to click on Save right at the top of the screen. So I'll click Save. It's going to take a few seconds to save, and then you can close out of your window. Once you have this step complete, you just need to go into Google Classroom, click on Turn In, and then I'll know you're completed with this step. So if you have any more questions, any confusion, feel free to send me an email, and good luck with that.